If you guys own a car or old car with SU carburetors, this video is for you because I'm going to show you the proper oil to use and how to fill these guys up. Hello YouTube, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Right now, I'm going to be showing you how to properly put oil in your SU carburetors. So these are SU carburetors, guys, and they unscrew like this, and you can check how much oil you got in them. Usually they say a little bit of resistance when you push down is good, but as you can see, there's not much resistance for me. Well, there's a little in this one, but on this carburetor, because I got twin dual carbs, when I push it back down, there's hardly any resistance, which means I got to add more oil. So when you take it out, it kind of looks like this in there, and you got to add oil into that circular tube there. And I'm going to show you guys what I like to use to add oil. So come take a look at this, guys. It's very hard to find carburetor oil at your parts store lately these days, so you either got to order it online or go to options like this. Use regular motor oil. 20W50 is what I like to use. And you're going to want to buy this pump right here and put the oil in there. I'm going to show you what to do next. First, you're going to want to remove this right here. Next, you want to get this pumping until you can see the oil's about to get in there. And then what you want to do is you're going to put this, I'm going to show you right here, put it like that, and you're going to do one pump, and that should be good. How we can check this easily: put these things back in here, and there should be some resistance. When there's some resistance, it's okay if it spills over on top. You're just gonna put it back in. You just refilled your cylinder thing. You're gonna go do the same thing to this one right here. So honestly, guys, all it needs is one pump in there. There's another way to check. You want it to be right to the top rim of that piece inside, but one pump should do the trick. With one pump, it's easily tell, guys, easily tell is by when you put this cap back on, there's some resistance when you go. Oh, not enough resistance, so I'm gonna put one more pump in there. But one pump, as you can see, I filled it to about the top of that lip up there. So when you put it in, there will be some resistance. You slowly push it in, not too hard. Once you get there, just close them off. Be good to go. Any extra oil will overfill on the inside and just burn off, so you got nothing to worry about. And there, that's how you do it. That's how you refill oil in your carburetors. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, drive and attempt on the 6 Series.